Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to easily convert pounds to kilograms and kilograms to pounds directly within Microsoft Excel. This is a really handy trick if you're working with weights and need to switch between these units frequently. Before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more Excel tips and tricks. It really helps the channel. Okay, so what we're going to cover today is two main things. 1. Converting pounds to kilograms * will show you a simple formula you can use to convert any weight in pounds to its equivalent in kilograms. 2. Converting kilograms to pounds * and of course, we'll reverse the process and show you how to convert kilograms back to pounds with another equally easy formula. Let's jump right into Excel. Screen shows an Excel sheet with two columns, pounds, lbs, and kilograms, kg. Alright, here we are in Excel. As you can see, I've created two columns, pounds, lbs, and kilograms, kg. Let's start with converting pounds to kilograms. Click on the first empty cell under the kilograms, kg column, next to a value in the pounds, lbs column. In this cell, we're going to type in our formula. To convert pounds to kilograms, we'll multiply the weight in pounds by 0.453592. So type in equals symbol, then click on the cell containing the weight in pounds, for example, A2, and then type an asterisk symbol for multiplication, followed by 0.453592. Type equals A2 0.453592 in the cell, ***. The formula should look something like this, equals A2 * 0.453592. Now, hit enter. Press enter. And there you go. You've converted pounds to kilograms. Now to quickly apply this formula to the rest of your data, just click on the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell down to apply the formula to the other cells. And drag it down to fill the rest of the column. Excel automatically adjusts the cell references for each row.
Super easy, right?
Screen shows the kilograms kg column filled with converted values. Now, let's do the reverse. Convert kilograms to pounds. Click on the first empty cell under the pounds, lbs column, next to a value in the kilograms kg column, in another section of the spreadsheet. Again, we start with an equal sign, equal symbol. This time, to convert kilograms to pounds, we'll multiply the weight in kilograms by 2.20462. So type equals symbol, click on the cell containing the weight in kilograms, for example, D2, then type an asterisk symbol for multiplication, followed by 2.20462. Type equals D2 2.20462 in the cell, ***. The formula should look like this, equals D2 * 2.20462. Press enter. Press enter. Voila. Kilograms converted to pounds. Same as before, drag the bottom right corner down to apply the formula to the rest of your data. Click and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell down to apply the formula to the other cells. Screen shows the pounds, lbs column filled with converted values. And that's it. You've learned how to convert both pounds to kilograms and kilograms to pounds in Excel using simple formulas. Now you can easily switch between these units whenever you need to. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Fix Zone for more Excel tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other Excel topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.